Understanding Title VII and Employment Discrimination. Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about Title VII of the Civil Rights Act of 1964 and how it protects employees from discrimination in the workplace. Title VII prohibits employment discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, or national origin. This means employers cannot make hiring, promotion, or termination decisions based on these protected characteristics. One key aspect of Title VII is that employment tests are allowed, but only if they are not designed, intended, or used to discriminate against protected groups. This is outlined in Title 42, United States Code, Section 2000E-2, subsection H. There are two types of discrimination covered under Title VII. Number 1, disparate treatment, which happens when an employer intentionally treats someone differently based on a protected characteristic. Number 2, disparate impact, also known as adverse impact, which happens when a seemingly neutral policy or test disproportionately affects a protected group, even if discrimination was not intentional. One of the most important cases in employment law is Griggs versus Duke Power Company, a landmark Supreme Court decision that shaped how we analyze disparate impact discrimination. Duke Power Company had a policy requiring employees to have 1, a high school diploma, and 2, passing scores on 2 standardized aptitude tests to qualify for promotions or higher paying positions. A group of African American employees challenged this policy, arguing that 1, the diploma and test requirements were not necessary to perform the job. Number 2, these requirements disproportionately excluded African American employees from advancing within the company. The court ruled in favor of the employees, stating that employment practices that disproportionately exclude protected groups must be job-related and necessary for business operations. Key takeaways from the case. Number 1, job-relatedness standard. Employers must prove that any practice causing a disparate impact is directly related to job performance and necessary for business operations. If an employer cannot justify the practice as necessary, it violates Title VII. Number 2, neutral policies can still discriminate. Even if a rule or test appears neutral, it can still be illegal if it disproportionately affects a protected group and is not job-related. Number 3, burden of proof. Employees must first show that a policy has a disparate impact on a protected group. Then, the burden shifts to the employer to prove that the policy is necessary for the job. Griggs versus Duke Power set an important legal standard. Employment policies must be fair, job-related, and necessary. Employers can use tests and selection procedures, but they must ensure that they are not unintentionally excluding protected groups. By understanding Title VII and disparate impact, employers and employees alike can work toward fair and equitable workplaces.